what is derivative in the most common sense in terms of what we use in our day-to-day lives, let us look at the technical definition for derivatives. Yeah. So obviously, derivatives is a financial security. Yeah. The underlying can be a lot of things for derivatives. Which are the underlying for derivatives? I'll let you know as we go ahead. And the most important part here is derivative derives its value from the underlying. Yeah. Of course, it's a contract between two or more parties. Yeah. So this is the definition of derivative, which is simplified. Where is derivative used? Okay. So let me give you an example. Suppose a farmer has planted his crop today. Yeah. And he is going to harvest the crop after 3 months. So just like this farmer is planting the crop now, there will be millions of other farmers who will be planting the crop right now, because this is the season of sowing the seed. Yeah. Now, what happens is currently prices of the crop are high, but 3 months later, when everyone is harvesting, there will be a huge supply of the crop and the prices might fall down. Yeah. So there is a risk that this particular farmer faces. What is the risk he is facing? The risk that he faces is that there is a probability that his crop might be sold 3 months later at a lower price. Thereby, maybe he could incur a loss. So what can he do to take care of this loss or to mitigate his loss? Yeah. What is done here is the farmer, what he can do today is he can sell the 3 months futures of this crop. So the future is the derivative, the crop is the underlying. Yeah. And today prices are high, so he can sell at a higher price. Yeah. 3 months later, when the prices of the crop, which is the underlying, goes down, what happens? The price of the futures will also go down. So what can he do? He can buy those futures after 3 months. So today he's selling the futures at a higher price, and 3 months later he can buy them at a lower price, thereby giving him profits there. Yeah. And this profits can be mitigated. These profits can be used to mitigate the loss that he might incur on his physical crop. Yeah.